PivotWorks is the original, fast, easy, and complete solution when it comes to rebuilding a dirt bike or ATV chassis and suspension. Today we'll be showing you the PivotWorks trailing arm kits for the ever-popular Polaris RZR UTVs. These PivotWorks trailing arm rebuild kits includes the large spherical bearings, collars, circlips, and O-rings necessary to rebuild both your OEM trailing arm pivots in one convenient kit. These trailing arm rebuild kits are necessary for rebuilding and replacing the worn out bearings and collars in the rear trailing arm of your Polaris RZR. Each machine has two of these arms, one connected to each rear wheel. The bearings in these arms take massive amounts of abuse from regular use and the elements. The components in these kits are direct OEM replacements, meaning they'll easily install without having to do any modifications. With an industry-first lifetime replacement program on all their products, PivotWorks has you covered for life. That's right, if you're the original owner and your PivotWorks kit has expired as a result of ordinary wear and tear, you're covered with a free replacement. It's that simple. The trailing arm on your Polaris RZR rotates up and down through the suspension travel when you hit bumps or land off jumps. This means it's constantly moving. It's the steel arm that extends backwards from the chassis and it's connected to each rear wheel. Plus, because of their locations, they're constantly getting pounded by dirt, sand, and mud, and the fact that they rotate every time the suspension moves, these parts wear out fast. When they start to show signs of wear and tear, it's hard to notice any difference unless you're inspecting them regularly. That's where PivotWorks comes in with a quick fix. Get a complete trail arm bearing and seal rebuild kit today and have both trailing arms handling like new again for a fraction of the cost of OEM parts. If you have any questions or comments, contact us at 515-402-8000 or visit our website at pivotworks.com and fill out that contact us form. For the original, fast and easy, complete solution, it's gotta be PivotWorks.